A video of BJP MLA Amrish Sharma from Bhind Lehar constituency has gone viral, stirring political tension. At a BJP workers' meet in Saju Vatika, Sharma warned Congress leaders, declaring, "I'll soon enter the battlefield. The sword is ready. This won't be just a battle, it will be a Mahasangram in Lehar." The fiery statement has drawn sharp reaction, adding heat to the local political atmosphere.
जो लोग कहते हैं कि विधायक छुपता फिर रहा है, मैं उन चोरों को बता देता हूं कि मैं दाड़ूंगा तो तुम्हारी पेशाब छूट जाएगी। गुड्डू शर्मा जिस दिन दाड़ेगा तुम दिखोगे नहीं।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi virtually inaugurated 103 Amrit Bharat railway stations, including 6 from Madhya Pradesh: Narmadapuram, Sridham, Katni South, Shajapur, Sioni and Orcha. The PM joined the national-wide launch from Rajasthan's Bikaner and said India's rapid development is astonishing the world. These redeveloped stations aim to offer world-class facility and transform passenger experience. The Amrit Bharat Station scheme is part of India's push to modernize its railway infrastructure and improve regional connectivity. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav participated in a high-energy Tiranga Yatra in Sioni, Malwa, Narmadapuram district, honoring India's brave soldier. The rally began at Kusum Postgraduate College and concluded at the local agriculture market complex. Hundreds of people joined with tricolors in hand, raising patriotic slogan. The CM praised youth enthusiasm and said such events strengthen national unity and remind people of the sacrifice made by armed forces. The Tiranga Yatra is part of a larger campaign to instill nationalism across district. Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan is set to return to the street of his Vidisha parliamentary constituency, launching a Padyatra from May 25th. After a gap of 25 years, Chauhan will walk 20 to 25 kilometers daily, interacting directly with locals. The goal is to raise awareness about central government schemes and strengthen grassroots connection. The Padyatra is seen as a key political move ahead of 2029, showcasing Chauhan's enduring public outreach style and aiming to energize BJP workers in the region. Shocking revelations from Indore, where a rifle coach Mohsin Khan was arrested for allegedly molesting a minor girl and secretly recording over 100 obscene videos. The incident took place in a shooting academy in Annapurna area. The survivors first approached Hindu organization which helped bring the matter to police. Authorities have seized the accused's mobile phone and sent it for forensic analysis. Investigators suspect more victims may be involved. The case has triggered outrage with demands for stricter monitoring of sports academies. Massive protests erupted on the Ujjain-Jhalawar National Highway, where demonstrators demanded demolition of homes of 11 accused in love jihad case from Bichrod village. The accused allegedly used obscene photos and fake identities to trap Hindu girl. Protesters, including members of Sakal Hindu Samaj, blocked traffic for 6 hours, causing long vehicle queues. Police managed to disperse the crowd after intense negotiation. The original FIR includes rape, blackmail and cyber abuse, making it one of the most high-profile cases in the region. In a major embarrassment for BJP, a lewd video of party leader Manohar Dhakad from Mandsaur has surfaced, showing him in an objectionable position with the women on the Delhi-Mumbai Expressway. The footage went viral on social media, sparking public outrage. BJP's district president Rajesh Dikshit has said that the video is being examined and promised action after the internal inquiry. The scandal has given ammunition to opposition parties ahead of civic poll as the BJP faces growing scrutiny over moral conduct of its leaders. Himanshu Jain, CEO of Shivpuri District Panchayat, has secured top spot in Madhya Pradesh among the IAS 2020 batch and ranked 40th national-wide out of 181 officers. The final ranking was based on inter-seniority fixation of probationers. Most officers from the batch currently serve as CEO of various district panchayat. Jain's achievement is seen as a milestone for MP cadre and recognition of strong administrative performance. The result reflects the growing prominence of Madhya Pradesh officers in national bureaucracy.